Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Chromecast powered, TV input set, and your phone on the same Wi-Fi. Open Google Home now, sign in. Once done, enable Bluetooth and location to let the app find the device quickly. Tap the detected Chromecast, follow the on-screen pairing code to confirm it matches the TV. Make sure the device firmware prompt completes. This ensures compatibility and smoother casting later. These first steps create the secure connection you'll use for all casting actions. Once paired, you configure the Chromecast for daily use. Tap Device Settings. Assign a room and a clear name so you can say the name or pick it from lists. Make sure the Chromecast is on the correct Wi-Fi, enter the password or enable guest mode if sharing access temporarily. You should also set audio defaults and backdrop images so the TV behaves how you expect. These steps prevent confusion and make casting reliable, because the device knows where it belongs and how to connect. To cast, open a supported app, tap the cast icon, and select your Chromecast. Your phone becomes a remote. For mirroring, use the phone's screencast feature on Android. Note that iPhone apps may limit full screen mirror, so prefer app casting. Control playback, volume, and subtitles from your phone. If casting fails, reboot the Chromecast and your phone, confirm both are on the same network, and disable VPNs. As a final troubleshooting tip, perform a factory reset only when you've tried reconnecting and firmware updates.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.